In the sleepy town of Biscuitville, Grandma Alice isn't just a baker. She's a cookie legend. But when a sweet-toothed squirrel named Nutty gets wind of her secret recipe, chaos is about to unfold in ways no one expected. Grab a cookie, sit back, and enjoy the madness. These aren't just any cookies. These are the kind of cookies that make grown men weep and children pledge their eternal loyalty. And yet, the secret recipe remains locked away in a vault beneath the bakery, known only to the one person who matters, Grandma Alice. Enter Nutty, the squirrel. He's not your average forest rodent. He's a little ambitious. And by ambitious, we mean delusional. Nutty overhears a conversation about the recipe and suddenly feels destined to get his paws on it. No plan, no backup, just pure, unfiltered greed for cookies. So, he enlists his partner in crime, Spooks the pigeon, who's always just a little too paranoid for his own good. Spooks has one job: distract Grandma Alice while Nutty finds the vault. Except that Nutty's idea of a distraction involves Spooks impersonating a delivery bird, only to be caught mid-squawk while flying into an open window and straight into the pantry. Meanwhile, Nutty's trying to break into the vault. Only, it's not actually a vault. It's a locked drawer, which, unsurprisingly, Nutty can't figure out how to open. Cue him trying and failing to pick the lock with a tiny twig he's found, muttering things like, "This is so much harder than the movies made it look." And then, of course, Grandma walks in. She's standing in the doorway, arms crossed, looking at the mess of flour, broken cookies, and Nutty covered in what can only be described as culinary failure. "Looking for something, Nutty?" she asks with a raised eyebrow. Nutty, caught in the act and too proud to back down, does what anyone would do in this situation. He feigns innocence. Just making sure your vault is secure. "You know, for safety reasons." Grandma laughs, shaking her head. "Well, don't strain yourself. The recipe's not in the vault. It's right here." She pulls it out of her apron pocket. "Of course." Nutty blinks. "Wait, it was in your pocket the whole time?" "Oh, honey. If you've been around long enough, you learn that hiding things in vaults is overrated. All you need is a good pocket." Spooks, still covered in cookie crumbs, adds, "I knew it was a trap. I should have just stuck to being a regular pigeon." Nutty, defeated but not broken, takes a cookie from Grandma's plate. "Well, that's one way to do it, I guess," Grandma smirks. "Next time, bring a better plan. Or just ask for the recipe."